All right, Aaron's Speed Shop here. We're about to do something dumb, so we figured you would probably want to tag along. Sounds like a good thing. Everybody would love to see somebody do something dumb, wouldn't you say?
Oh yeah, I love it. I'm
All
putting
right.
my gloves on right now.
Well, we're gonna get our dumb on, so I need to weld a hook. That is, I'll get it. 1 second.
Yeah, it's a hook day. You guessed it, folks.
Gonna weld this hook onto the bucket of my excavator, and the problem is that we'll take you around. It's a little dark in there, but my welding shop, my welder, I can't reach outside of my building, and it's not in this garage that we're standing in. It's a small 10 by 10 room over there, but there's a door on the back that goes outside, like a regular 3-foot door. I'm thinking, since I got a 2-foot bucket, I'm really careful, I can actually stick the whole arm of the excavator in the building into my welding shop, do a little buzz, 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 little spritz, 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 pull her out, and if all goes well, I'm not going to blow a big hole in the side of my house. So we'll take you out back, show you the welding shop. I'll try and get some light in there, and then you can take a little look at the process of getting the excavator in the back of the building without killing my house. Check it out. All right, so this is the welding shop, and that's the entry door. So if we open this up, it goes out into my backyard. I mean, there's a bit of a problem with a fire pit there and stuff, but I think if I weasel the excavator in here, we can bring the bucket right in here, get my welder going, and do our damn thing. So let's see how it goes. I'm going to set you up outside. Alright, so this is the welding shop, and that's the entry door. So if we open this up, it goes out into my backyard. I mean, there's a bit of a problem with a fire pit there and stuff, but I think if I weasel the excavator in here, we can bring the bucket right in here, get my welder going, and do our damn thing. So let's see how it goes. I'm going to set you up outside.
Oh, you're gonna love this. Just gonna weld a hook on there, bud. Be nice.
I gotta move over. Brandon,
Yeah.
how close am I to the door frame?
You're away from it. Don't curl the bucket.
No, at the top, on the outside.
Yep. Yep, you're good. You're good. I bring her down. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Go up a little bit. Up a little bit.
Up more?
A little bit, yeah. Bring it back a little bit like you had it before. Up a little bit. Up. There you go. Yep. Yep. You're good.
Okay.
Easy.
Alright, well.
I think that's suitable.
What do you guys think? Managed to get the bucket in the building. So now we can effect some welding repairs. Let's take a look at this from the inside view of the shop. Yep, that's an excavator bucket in the shop.
There you go.
Alright, we'll set you up in a minute once we get a good plan going here.
Got a fresh battery here. We're back.
Yep. Alright, good deal. Alright, I'm going to avoid, I got safety glasses on because, well, I had a close call. I'm going to need you to plug that orange cord back in the corner.
Done.
Thank you, sir. Because we're going to need to take a little paint off old Botelho here. The Manca. And you know what? I've had some really bad experiences with the grinder the last few times I've used it.
Nice.
I took it to the chest, dude. I got it wrapped up in my shirt.
Jesus.
Yeah.
We'll get
Welcome to Hot Rolled Steel. Alright.
somewhere around there. We're gonna tack that fucker on.
Yeah, I think that's pretty good. That give me enough room to weld? Yeah, that gives me enough room to weld. Yep. Okay.
I got him out.
So
I'll
I
let him
think
in.
we're gonna ground the hook. You wanna grab a tape measure?
Tape measure.
Because since this bucket is so fancy and new, I don't have a good place to ground on it.
Look at this.
So I gotta beat that though.
Look at, see, here's your middle mark.
Yeah. Yep. So I need to go way past that.
Well, at least you know where it is
Yeah.
now.
Keep the tape measure up. I like a little extra room. Alright, took my hat off because I'm about to put the welding helmet on. So what we did here is I ground I ground the bottom and all the welding surfaces that I'm going to weld on this. It appears to be cast, so it should be fun to weld anyway. Stick welding would be best, but I don't have one of those. So we ground all of the mill scale off of here, and we got some alignment marks. I'm going to tack real quick because I don't want to grind a whole bunch of paint off the bucket. I'm going to tack this on by holding it like this, and then I should be able to actually get both hands and stabilize my gun. We've got 2 angles of the welding coming here, and hopefully you enjoy the show. Alright, well, we'll get this eventually.
Oh, you'll get it.
Well, I think that's attached. What do you guys think? Gonna let that cool down, give her a little spritz of some make her look brand new. Catch you guys in a bit. We are going to get my track hoe out of the garage, or out of the welding shop. I would say we gave her a really nice Kubota orange job. I think it blends in. You can't even really tell. He just set my fucking GoPro on fire.
Didn't like that.
We just won't mess with that. We'll figure out what happened over there. But
didn't like that.
we're gonna change your battery and then let you watch me park my my hoe.
Yeah.
All right, well, that was your introduction of Brandon as a cameraman. I think we're going to do all right. Sorry about the previously mentioned fingerprints and shit. It happens. We'll get there.
Definitely the shit.
Kubota's ready to go up north. Hopefully that hook doesn't break off, but we'll do the best filming we can of the first trial use of the hook. And if it snaps off, you guys will see it first. Well, we'll see it first. You'll see it second. Have a great day.